light and fluffy pita, packed full of roasted eggplant, veggies, and a perfectly cooked egg. This is sabich. Sabich is an Iraqi Jewish dish that's found throughout Israel, and it's a must-try when you come to visit. But if you can't make the trip, then I'm going to show you how to make the recipe in your home kitchen today. So let's go to the kitchen. Okay, so first and foremost, I'm going to start out by slicing my eggplant. And then I have a baking sheet that I've lined with parchment and brushed with some olive oil. And I'm going to place each of the eggplant rounds on the baking sheet. Now I'm going to brush them with a little bit of olive oil and sprinkle them with a bit of salt. And now it's time to place them in my preheated oven. Halfway through the cooking process, I'm just going to flip my eggplant over and place it back into the oven. And now that it's golden brown and done baking, it's time to place it in a bowl because it's time to make our sabich. Okay, so to make our sabich, we have our roasted eggplant, our boiled egg, sliced onions, pickles, Jerusalem salad, hummus, tahini sauce, and pita bread. And traditionally, it's also made with a mango sauce and a zouk. Okay, so I'm going to start out by cutting my pita open. And then I'm going to fill it with some of my hummus, some eggplant, half of a hard-boiled egg, some sliced onion, some pickles, a hearty portion of Jerusalem salad, and some tahini. And then I'm going to repeat until my pita is nice and packed full. And there we have it, our delicious homemade sabich. So good.